Here is number 4 from the quiz. Again, it's a lot like number 1 in terms of having the use of the distributive property. You could, and I'll show it at the first part, my work over here with 1/2 times, again, 9x over 1. But with problems like this, I'm really going to encourage you to think about mental math. I mean, this is a pretty clear benchmark fraction. So we can just ask ourselves, well, what is half of 9? And I think that should be pretty obvious that it is 4 5/10 x. Remember to include the x. I've seen a lot of students not bring that x down, but if the x is a part of this number 9, and is incredibly important that we still leave it attached. Half of 15 is 7.5. And then we just continue to bring down the rest of the problem exactly as we see it. Just so we are clear over here, what you can see is we would get 9x over 2, and again 9 divided by 2 is where the 4.5 is coming from. Multiplying by 1/2 and dividing by 2 are equivalent operations. Here are like terms. This time I have 4.5 attached with an x, and then we also have this 1.5x. Again, we must include the sign to the left of the number. So we can think about it like, okay, if I have 4.5 x's here, and I'm going to take away 1.5, how many do I really have? And the answer to that is that I would have 3 x's, because 4.5 minus the 1.5 is 3. Again, remember to have the variable still attached. And then as we rewrite the rest of the problem, you can see what's our zero pair for positive 7.5. We're using what's called the subtraction property of equality. Same exact thing to both sides of the equal sign. We're left with 0 there. Bring down the 3x. Here we're left with 33. And the opposite of multiplying by 3 is to divide by 3. We get a final answer of x is equal to positive 11.